Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. See, today I am just giving an introduction to Java programming. Let's start now. See, Java, it's modern object-oriented computer programming language, and it was created at Sun Microsystems, where James Gosling led a team of researchers in an effort to create a new language that would allow consumer electronic devices to communicate with each other. Java is a popular programming language and it is created in 1995. Now it's owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. 3 billion devices. See where it is used. It's used in mobile applications, especially in Android apps, desktop applications, web applications, web servers, application servers, games, database connection, and much more. What are the characteristics of Java? Java works on different platforms. It can work on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. That's why we call Java as platform independent. Java is a platform independent language. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It's easy to learn and simple to use. It's open source and free. It's secure. Another important characteristics of Java is related to security. It's fast and powerful. It has a huge community support. Tens of millions of developers across the world. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs that allow codes to be reused, lowering development costs. That is the reusability of code. That is another characteristics of Java. As Java is close to C++ and C#, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. So these are all the characteristics of Java. Now let me give you an idea on how. You see, you can install Java. For example, if you want to install Java, I have already installed Java in my system. You can you can go to download Java, then you will get to the you can download Java for Windows. For Linux also you can do. So Windows 10, or you will get the download link. So you can Java Windows 10 download and install. So you can go here and it's a simple process. You can install Java from here. And all the different steps also it's given. It's an Oracle website. So from here you can download Java. See, I have already downloaded Java in my system, and if you once it is once Java is downloaded, another important thing you need to take care is you need to set the path for Java. That's really important. That's you are familiar with environment variables, right? So I will show you how to set the environment variable for Java. For example, if you want to set the see, what you can do here is you can go to the my computer. See here, it would be there. 1 second. You can go to your my computer here, and after that you can right click on this. Then you will get properties. So here you have properties, then advanced system settings, then you have environment variables. Here you have to select path, you can see it. Then new. Then here you need to type path. After that you have the location where Java is installed. That location you need to get. See, in my system it's installed in C colon. You can see here C colon program files. Then you have Java. Then JDK 1. After that you have to select bin. So this is the complete path. So this path you need to copy. In your system the path should be different, right? So it is C colon program files, Java, JDK 1. Then bin also you need to take. You need to copy the entire thing. This thing you need to copy it. Control C. Then you need to come here, and here you have to type it, paste it. After that click OK. Then again click OK. See, here you clicked OK, and again you need to click OK. So then it is set. I think it may need, you need to restart the system after setting the path. It would be better. After that, if you go to command prompt, it is you can check the Java version, typing Java hyphen version. So it will see it's giving Java version 14.0.2. It's the latest version. This is the runtime environment we are using here. This is the way you can install Java. Now this is the process of installation. Now I am giving you the more clarity or the integrated development environment. See, you may be familiar with IDEs. See, when you are working with Python, you will use Jupyter Notebook, you will use Spider, you will use PyCharm, different IDEs, you will even Google Colab. So different IDEs you use with the different programming languages. See, when you use Java, the most common IDE we usually use is the Eclipse platform, Eclipse. So Eclipse is the most common IDE we usually use, and you need to understand Eclipse. One second, yeah. So Eclipse is the common IDE we use for Java programming languages, and you can download Eclipse. Even it's a simple process. You can go to Google and download Eclipse, but you need to understand it's a huge file. It will take some time to download it, and you can install it. That's all. It's a simple process. So Eclipse download. So you will go to this link, and here you can download Eclipse. See, download 64-bit. So this will take some time, and you can download Eclipse in this way. So you need to understand Eclipse is the most common IDE, integrated development environment for Java. That's really important. I have covered most of the aspects, most of the points I covered. Where do we use, and how we can install Java, how you can check in the command prompt, whether Java is installed or not, how you can check it. That thing also I told you. Now one more aspect. See, I have already installed Eclipse in my system, so I can show you. See it, so you can create a shortcut of this Eclipse. See, you can see here, this is the way you can open it. This is, you need to select a workspace. See, when you, after installation of the Eclipse IDE, you can select a workspace for the Eclipse platform. I have selected the workspace as D colon Eclipse workspace. It's inside D colon and click launch. Then the IDE is launch. You can have a look at the IDE. It's loading. So this is the way you can install and open see this is the IDE. See, it looks like this. So here you can different see here you can create a new Java file new that you can create a new Java file. See, this is a simple Java program. I have written public class my hello world. It's a hello world program. See, public static void main. See, these aspects I will be explaining in the coming videos. See, now I am not getting into the details of all these aspects, like what is the keyword static, what is public. So one thing I want to tell you clearly is Java is an object-oriented language. So you may be familiar with different types of programming languages: object-oriented language, procedure-oriented language. So you may be familiar. So you need to understand Java is an object-oriented programming language. So the different keywords like static, void, main. So all these aspects I am not telling, I am not explaining you clearly as of now. See, you have to understand to run this program. See, you can see a green button here on the left top corner. My cursor is there, so you can see here. Then it will show you run. So when you run this program, see the output, you can see here it is 1. See, if you want to the output is 1 for this program. I will change the program to system.out.println, and I am just changing it as the program it is. I am changing it as system.out.println in bracket. I am writing inside the quotes I have to write I allow Java. See, you have written like that. Then when you run it, see, it's showing some error. So here, yeah. So you need to put semicolon here. Yeah. So now it's fine. So you need to understand, after each line of code you need to put semicolon in Java, but in Python it's not needed. Fine. See, so you need to run it. Yeah. So when you run it, you can see the output here. See, it's showing in the lower bottom. You can see here. See, I am bringing the cursor here. See, I love Java. See, this is the way you can run a simple Java program. See, I didn't explain you anything about code. See, in the coming videos we will be giving more idea on what are all the syntax and what are the different keywords we use it in Java, and how we can write simple Java programs to complex Java programs. How do we write? So all these aspects we will be discussing in the coming videos. So today I just covered the installation, the characteristics of Java, and how you can check it in the command prompt whether Java is installed, what is an IDE, integrated development environment, and Eclipse is the most popular IDE. How do you can download Eclipse and how you can install it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.